The passion that they all experience for this profession is captivating. It's being curious about how you can do more to protect workers.
It's just those little by little things that we can do. We can make so much of an impact, not only in the US, but also worldwide.
They know in the end this is going to have a direct effect on people's lives.
The importance of industrial hygienists and OEHS professionals has never been better recognized. These are the professionals that ensure our loved ones return home healthy every night. AIHA is the association that represents these professionals in what they do, creating healthier workplaces and a healthier world. At the American Industrial Hygienists Association, the guiding force is very clear.
So the mission of AIHA is to empower those who apply scientific knowledge to protect all workers from occupational hazards. And that's our purpose. That's the reason why we exist. And our vision is a world where all workers are healthy and safe.
These are safety professionals shaping our workplaces and world.
So do you think moving forward in the future now, it's not just checking the box of safety in the workplace, it's a little more than that?
It's much more holistic than that. It's not just checking the box, it's not just compliance with regulatory standards. It's more about taking the steps that are necessary to safeguard your workers, because if you don't safeguard your workers, it affects your productivity, which then affects your bottom line performance.
Real-world impact beyond the places where we work, but also where we live.
It's all about the same goal, which is protecting the people, not only in the workplace, but also in their community.
AIHA represents professionals who are absolutely some of the most altruistic people I've ever met in my life. They are truly doing it because they care.
Ensuring safer workplaces has placed safety professionals essentially on the front lines.
Yes, OEHS professionals are essential workers.
One of the great things about OEHS is the fact that you can work in the industry sector, in a manufacturing sector, a consumer products company. You could work in the government, you could work in the military, you could work in academia, you could work in the union space.
And the way we think about safety is evolving.
So the conventional metrics are called lagging metrics, but that measures the aftermath of an accident. Leading metrics are all about things like education and training in the workplace, protocols that are designed to prevent things from happening in the first place. And so AIHA is a staunch advocate for the combination of leading and lagging metrics.
I think one of the things that makes AIHA fairly unique is that we have taken into consideration not only the members that we're serving, but also our stakeholders who are benefiting from the services that our members provide.
A place where connection and support is provided for current and future leaders.
Does AIHA approach these various stages of the professional growth in different ways?
Oh yes. They're identifying the needs of each of the segments, and they're trying to put programs in place so to address those segments and actually kind of like merging those as well.
A profession defined by diversity that's expanding around the world.
It's one of the main projects that AIHA has at this time. You know that there's a need in those regions, not only Latin America, but also Asia and Africa and Europe in some of the areas.
Creating a safer world through both science and practical problem solving.
Also known as scientific Sherlock Holmes in a way. They are able to process the information that they're gathering, dig into it, try to figure out the origin of the problem, and they are truly solving problems every single day.
Solving problems, that includes advocacy and public health.
So by extension of our mission, we are protecting workers in the community. The next one is diversity, equity, and inclusion.
Safety professionals firmly established as the voice and source for all things impacting workplace safety now and into the future.
And that's the exciting part of the future of the profession. You're not just collecting samples in the field, now you're seeing large amounts of data, they call it big data, and making sense of that data so that you can actually prevent injury and illness before it happens. That's exciting.
I really love what I do. I don't know if you can tell, but I really love what I do. Applying science and helping people, that's awesome. That's a great combination.
I love it because it's very empowering.